alakpa na fa fojiji so ofia do mo to hare mark de plan ya tapa o mo ta kuna to bi ba la ba li to yi ba
jiji na kogo mo le gbanle hema na tenwa se ame tututu na nya ye mi atogbi ozofu wa fia nye esibe nya togbi gan duto vonya gbanto do na aviewo kata
ananya bechime balade maudole tunu mahupe anobinyo mudasukumya nyabale debyo mudasukumya nyabale yomya iji akpala dekala sinyapia apa pasen yewo gonabe hard cover yo wala ka ko na nyeje atazira bomia na shiwochia naka
na wanarenya wanaike enojile anglo dukomo volta region to be precise kude afia pa enyaun afia gblamo kwa banle tohi adenya banare ike adogo ike banle ya kude mvuvuvu ike o banle ya kovi ba miaso kude mia pa afia gblamo. I am not here to do a review on the book bo akpa manyo. I am only here to what is in the book and you kala banama iko ko malavino hoiko jiram afika na karamula anu mo iko nyanu iko magblano. I'm not here to do this wale balamo walo. I'm not here for that. I am not here for that. I am here to let you know about the book. But book here ever. First one, let's go and then take this book. Bala yenye. Bala yenye. Nkwamenye obe origin and development of chieftaincy among the Anlo-Ewe. Obe challenges, solutions, and the relevance of chieftaincy in modern governance. Professor Togbi Demaji the fourth Angloga Enyameka Balian Kotovi University, York University, Canada. Enyameka Balian Kovi Kumablo Balian Anya Magbanyan and upon Magbanyan the altar. Togbi Demaji the fourth is a professor at York University with broad interest in African performing art and cultural studies. So here is the book. I'm only here to give you gist of it. Then here it contains the soft cover. It's normal cover, but when you go to this one, it has the hard cover. Then a cover and a cover 3. The same thing. You cover bemia. Amahla and you color manu. You can just some of the content so and then I pay some of the contents. You can anuyama. You can table of contents. The origin of the Ewe, the Dogbo at Nwoche, and the history visit of Aja Ashimadi. The exodus of the Dabo from Noche and its causes and the founding of the new settlements or settlement kingdom. Trace of human being in the new settlement. The expansion of the settlement's territory or kingdom. Establishment of collective memory. That's an overview of the Ewe history and culture. So we come to number 12, origin of chiefs, kings, queens among the Ewes, emergence of the Anlo-Ewe political system, emergence of Dufia title, fike Dufia title acho, emergence of Awomafia. So anyo lafia you get more about this very book. This one, the hard copy is 500 Ghana cedis. Yes, the hard copy is 500 Ghana cedis, and then the light cover is 250. So I'm here to tell you how you get these books. Then they're the good books. afi ekpoko and there good books la angloga ekpoga kuma global. So from here let's go yapo wana kata ayijile angloga eke o hegbale adego jagba na follow yina wa bia kude gbale na ohana pleda akolo so be na ahla kude anglo dukon chieftaincy anglo pe jochupe ndo makola ma avada dawo yo kanoni efia yo kanoni awo me fia yo kanoni anglo vovovo agloba enya wana to bana foya de ka ma kafu no ba jawaba na awashina karum number ya ulma da grafia these numbers jagba na your plus be wana akare baleon is very beautiful. It is good to have this book down. This is the first edition. I'm sure the second edition will come for review, and then so I'm not here to do any review of this book, just trying to let you know about the book banga topia the Everlove Dukoma Kenya Anglo Dukoma. Hey, 250, and then the hard copy is 500 Ghana cedis. I will prefer when I call hard copy. Ya untonya ano na nya budget na nto last girl. Hey ha nana makin actually can lebane kwa anyi no gano take be. Akpa me ni nya pon yo kata energy la wana ma eke